As a technical evangelist, I do a lot of work with new trending technology. And so data science was really a part of what I do every day because it's pretty hot and trending right now. What I find the difference between Data Science Dojo and an online course is really the in-person aspect of it, right? Of course, it's nice on Coursera and Udacity where you can ×2 speed and speed through a lot of content, but Data Science Dojo also allows for the more in-person interactions. It also allows for you to kind of be in the same boat with a lot of other people, and so you can actually work with others on specific problems you have or kind of discuss topics that were difficult to understand. My favorite part of the boot camp was definitely the people that I met. The staff was very helpful. I really enjoyed working with them. My colleagues and classmates were also super interesting. And then the networking dinner was definitely what kind of highlighted just the people and being able to have dinner, chat about non-data science related stuff, about what people like to do and things like that. That was definitely a nice aspect that you won't find at something like Coursera or Udacity. So I would recommend Data Science Dojo because as a boot camp, it definitely ensures that you learn what they had told you were going to learn, right? I came out of the boot camp having the knowledge of the specific topics that they said they were going to teach me. And then the other thing is really just having the opportunity to spend 5 days, 10 hours each day on data science is something that is super powerful because everybody starts that Coursera course or starts an online course, and after 2 sessions they kind of drop off, whereas Data Science Dojo, you're kind of pushed to finish the curriculum.